Hi everyone, I am Shyam, your behavioral trainer and millennial coach. Welcome to my video. So today we are going to talk about one of the most favorite subject of everyone, and that is how to say the two beautiful letter that is no. So let us understand how professionally you can say no in 5 different ways. So before we learn about which are the 5 professional ways to say no, I want you guys to think when to say no. So before we think about saying no, you should ask 3 questions to yourself. The first question is, am I contractually obliged to do this work? If yes, then you cannot say no. The second is, do I really want to do this? If you're just doing it because you don't want to hurt the other person's feeling, then that's not right. That's a time when you should say no. The third most important question is, whose problem is it? It's the other person's problem and the person is giving the workload to me, or is it my problem and I have to solve it? If it is the other person's problem, then you should definitely say a no, because that is the time when your workload increases. So ask these 3 questions to yourself before you say no to somebody. There are many reasons where you might want to say no. There can be your boss who is giving you a lot of work. There can be a colleague who is asking a favor. There can be a friend. There can be a lot of relationships where you want to say no, but you hesitate and you don't know how you can say a no to them. So let us discuss about 5 different ways you can professionally say no to somebody. Here we go. The first one is, I'm in the middle of several projects and can't spare the time. When you already know that there are multiple projects that you are handling, there are multiple work that you are doing, and people are coming up to you and asking favors, you can always use this line. This will save you from saying a harsh no to somebody on their face, but help justifying them with some kind of work that you are already doing. The second one is, I don't have any experience with this sort of work. This always helps when somebody is giving you a lot of work and you feel you do not have the expertise to do that. The third one is, I'm really not the best person to do it. This line can always help you when you are new to some kind of a work and you do not know how to do it. This will also help you to understand how the work can be done. So you do not directly say a no, but also escape from the work. The fourth one is, I'd rather say no than only give half of my attention. This one line you can say when you really want to do the work, but you do not have the bandwidth to do it. So rather than saying no, you can say, I have already plenty on my table and I don't want to give half attention to it and do it half-heartedly. So rather than doing that, I'll say a no. This is my favorite one. The fifth one is, here it goes. I'll do whatever you want me to do, but tell me, which of these work would you like me to delay or cancel? This will help you to prioritize your work and go ahead and schedule your work in a better, effective manner. This is the best way you can say no to somebody. I hope all these 5 different ways were helpful for you. If you really enjoyed watching this video and you learned something, comment down below what other ways you use to say no, and share it with your friends who are probably not that good saying no. So signing off, I am Shyam, your corporate trainer and your millennial coach. Thank you so much.